FOODCoST – decision-making for public out-of-home catering based on external costs. What if school lunches were chosen not only by price, but by their true cost to health, climate and society? Today, many public catering systems do not account for these hidden impacts. In case study number 10, led by Ecozept in Germany, researchers tested an automated menu manager based on true cost accounting. The tool helps canteens identify high-impact dishes and replace them with healthier, lower-impact alternatives. The approach was tested in 6 school canteens across Germany, France and Austria. The results were encouraging. Children accepted the new sustainable dishes, and most canteens kept the recipes in their regular menus. Making hidden costs visible can help public catering serve food that is healthier for people and the planet. Find more in FOODCoST-project.eu.